Consider the following reactions. These are the three reactions. The order of change in bond angle for reactant to specified product is: first, NH4Cl on heating with NaOH, it is forming the product containing nitrogen. That product containing nitrogen is NH3. And second one, PH4I on heating with NaOH, it is forming the product containing phosphorus. The product containing phosphorus is PH3. And third one, white phosphorus on heating with NaOH, it is forming the product, and that too not containing oxygen. P4 on heating with NaOH, it will form two products. One is NaH2PO2, NaH2PO2, sodium hypophosphite, and along with that it also forms a PH3, phosphine. So here product not containing oxygen means PH3. Okay, so now we'll see the bond angles of the reactants and products. NH4Cl is a tetrahedral. Its bond angle is 109.5 degrees, and NH3 bond angle is 107 degrees. And PH4I is also bond angle is 109.5 degrees. PH3 bond angle is 93.6 degrees. And P4 molecule, which is unstable due to the angle strain, actually tetrahedral molecule, but bond angle is 60 degrees. Due to that angle strain, the P4 molecule is unstable. So bond angle of P4 molecule is 60 degrees, and PH3 is 93.6 degrees. 93.6 degrees its bond angle. So if you observe the difference in the bond angle, that is the order of change in bond angle, is more in case of third one, because it is changing from 60 degrees to 93.6 degrees. So third one, the change in bond angle from reactant to specified product is more, and then in second one it is more after that, after third one, because it is changing from 109.5 degrees to 93.6 degrees, and last it is less in case of the first one, that is changing from 109.5 degrees to 107 degrees. So the correct order is 3 greater than 2 greater than 1.